Last week, Google open sourced Longfellow ZK, a zero-knowledge proof cryptography toolkit that lets you prove something, like that you're over 18, without ever showing the actual secrets. Think of zero-knowledge proofs like this. Alice wants to prove she has the right key without handing over the key itself, so she puts the key in a lockbox, presses a button, and out comes a little slip that says, yes, that key fits. Bob sees the slip and is convinced, but he never sees the key itself. Longfellow ZK gives you math blocks, the hidden gears that do all the secret calculations, ready-made circuits, pre-built designs for things like password checks or age tests, as well as proof maker and checkers. Two simple C++ calls, one to build your proof, one to verify it. In order to build and test Longfellow ZK, you can simply use GitHub code spaces with a publicly available repository. So first you're going to want to click code, then it'll bring you to code spaces, and you want to create a code space on main. VS Code spins up a dev container with everything you need, including compilers, testers, benchmarks, all pre-installed. Inside your dev container terminal, we're going to come down here to building manually, and then we just have to first copy this step, obviously press allow. Then we'll copy this step once that's done. And then this will just take a quick moment to build all these. So we've actually had 97% of the tests have passed, but 6 of them have failed. We're just going to ignore that for now and move on to the next step. So we're going to want to run the benchmarks. So the first one we can try out is this one. It'll only take a moment and then we can run the next one. All right, now that those tests have run, we're going to do the next one. So the first one is core math steps, like shuffling numbers. And the second one is making a simple proof check for something like verifying you hashed a password. Now, as we can see here, these are so fast that the user probably won't even know that the implementation's happening, or at least they won't be hindered by it, which is quite powerful.